guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello, I'm Miss PatriciaAnn, and go ahead, subscribe so we can become best friends. I'm pretty sure you already know by the title of this video what this video is. It is our IPSY bag! I'm so excited. I love my IPSY bag, and I want to open this with you guys like I do every single month. And with further ado, let's get on with this video. And if you haven't checked out how I got this look right here, I am going to put the link in the description so you can go check out how I got this beautiful look for the day. Okay guys, let's get on with this video. Drum roll please. Play some inspirational IPSY girl music. Hey, I'm not feeling that. Change the music. Okay, that is acceptable. You guys ready? Ugh. Man, they really glued that bag together this month. Okay, you ready for the bag? You ready? Here we go. This is pretty good. This is a pretty big size bag. Is that all we got in there? Oh, now we got some more stuff in it. Ooh. Ooh. What else we got in there? Okay, that's it for the bag. So we might as well check these out before we even get into our bag. These are I Want Perfect Makeup. Makeup Ready Skin. Pore Care Softening Moisturizing Faith and Face. Have Faith and Face. I am going to put a picture here so you can look at it as I'm looking at it. I've never used these before. And it is in Chinese, so I don't know anything about it. I'm going to show you the back of these as I'm looking at it. So, I guess I just want perfect makeup. I don't know what we do with this. So, when we don't have a clue what we're going to do with these, we're going to have to look it up online on the IPSY site. So, how are we going to do that? We're going to put it right here. Okay, now that we have an idea what we're going to do with these, it's pretty cool. So, put these right here for now. Okay, here is our IPSY bag. It's kind of different. It is very, very different. It's plain. But I heard that we can color on our IPSY bag. But I am kind of disappointed. Because normally every month on our IPSY bags, it has IPSY on it. On the little thing right here. There's just a little ribbon this month, so there's no IPSY on it. Oh, but it says IPSY. It says IPSY right here, inside. It says IPSY. So, okay. Well, let's start out with the card. Oh. Great. Okay, anyway, this is our IPSY card. I did get, ooh, okay, I guess we're getting this because it's ready to just jump out of the bag. Eyeshadow. Let's look at it and see what. Ooh, that is a pretty eyeshadow color. So you can see that. I am going to show you pictures right here so you can look at it. Ooh. It's very glittery and not very much pink on the skin. But it is very pretty and I will wear it. I do like it. I cannot complain about that. I do like it. I do like that. Then I got, ooh, since I'm bubble wrap, I did get this. I want to show you a picture right here. But it is in bubble wrap, so I probably should have got me some scissors. There we go. Okay, now that we got what we got in our IPSY bag, want to rate this product? No, I'm kidding. This is what we got in our IPSY bag. It's the Glow Duo, the cream and the powder. Ooh. Ooh. And I am going to put right here how we use that. Ooh, ooh, that cream and powder is pretty. I love those. Oh, I got pink and green markers for my bag. Kind of cool. And I got, I'll test these out in a minute. Ooh, my sex kitten. Oh. Ooh, I'm gonna love this eyeliner. It's so cute. Oh, I love this eyeliner. I'm a big eyeliner person. Like, I love when I get eyeliner from my IPSY. I never had to buy eyeliner. And then I got a large shadow brush. Yay! I love makeup brushes. And that is all for my IPSY bag. And I'm going to go color these real quick and show you what that looks like. Okay, so you've seen how my IPSY bag turned out by me coloring it. Pretty much this month's IPSY bag, it was unique, it was different, and I have to give it to IPSY for, you know, keeping it real, and like, they're always spicing it up. You really don't know what kind of theme's going to be next month, and that's pretty cool. I really do like that fact. My items I got in my IPSY bag this month, I have to give them a 8 out of 10, because I love my eyeliner, I love my brush. I'm not too thrilled about the face, the makeup wipe things, and the eyeshadow. It could have been better, but I do like the duo combo I got. And I mean, overall, I have to give, like I said, I'm pleased with my IPSY bag this month. I know a lot of people is like getting fed up with IPSY, and they don't want to continue getting IPSY every month, because either IPSY is like sending them broken products, or they're not letting them see a sneak peek of their items at the beginning of the month, or they're just not liking the products that they're getting. And overall, I'm not having that problem yet. And until I do have that problem, I'll be staying with IPSY. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed my IPSY video. I do have other IPSY videos from previous months. If you have not checked them out, link is in the description, so go check them out. And as always, guys, take my little markers that I got that's pink and green and color my IPSY bag. This is the first time we've ever got a IPSY bag that we can color. So go check that out and see how I like that.
Who's acting moody? Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. I've been trying to find my way back, trying to get in there ASAP. Why don't you get out of my way fast? Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. I know you're here with somebody, but I'm going home with that body. Yeah, so tell her she can move. I really wanna move that body. Move that body. Yeah. Move that body, yeah.
Okay, guys, so I finally finished coloring my IPSY bag, and this is what it turned out looking like. I did get pink and green markers in my IPSY bag, which I don't know if that was by luck or what. If everybody got pink and green markers, comment below, let me know if you got pink and green. You might got other colors, but pink and green just so happens to be my favorite colors, so I was super excited that I got pink and green. Here is what the IPSY bag looked like before I start coloring it on both sides, and here's what it looks like colored. I personally thought that it was a unique bag to give out, but considering that most of the IPSY ladies that get IPSY every month is adults, I don't necessarily think we all enjoyed coloring our IPSY bags. I know I didn't, and I don't mean that as a slur to anybody, because I do love to color. I love to draw. But when I get my IPSY bag, I think I prefer to have like a glamorous bag with my makeup and stuff in it, rather than me sitting down and coloring. And then it could be also the pattern. I wasn't really thrilled about the pattern that I was coloring, and I got super bored. And I know it was supposed to be like hair and faces and their shirts and stuff, but I felt this was a really like lame design to begin with, so I wasn't really happy with the design in general. So, I mean, maybe if they gave us a different design of like different things to color or something a bit different, but this would be great for women that have children or nieces or nephews. They could just give them their bag and then the markers, and the little kids would love this, so it's perfect for little kids. But I don't necessarily really, I hope next month is not a bag that we have to color. But besides that, guys, IPSY, I have the most upper respect for IPSY. I love IPSY. I've never had any problems with my IPSY. Let's knock on some wood right now, because a lot of people have problems with IPSY. I don't. And I love my IPSY. So I have IPSY videos up of all of the recent months that I have got my IPSY bag. And links in the description of my IPSY bag. So if you want to go check them out, go check them out. And guys, as always, hey. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. What's wrong with you? Go subscribe. Give a girl some subscriptions.